Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to perm your hair at home for less than £13. So perming your hair at home is easy. All you need is a perming kit and rods, and I'll show you where to get them from. Make sure your hair is long enough so the curlers are able to obviously roll around. If they don't, then it won't work. So I'll show you the stuff I use. So the first thing you need is this. It comes with everything apart from the rollers, and it's literally £5 from Superdrug. And the second thing you need is this, which is one of the rollers. I use quite a small roller. It's up to you what roller you use, depending on how curly you want your hair. You can buy the rollers on eBay in a pack of 24. I would buy 48 just in case your hair is super long. It's always better to have more than have less. I just want to say I'm not an expert. I've permed my hair at home around 3 or 4 times now, so I kind of know what I'm doing a little bit. But honestly, the results work for me, so I just want to show you guys how I do it. Anyway, let's crack on, and the first thing I'm going to do is wet my hair and then let my friends perm the back. So the reason I let my friends perm the back is because I can't see it, and if you try and do it yourself, you will see how difficult it is. The first thing I do is use a hair grip to keep the part of hair I'm not perming out of my face. Then dampen the piece of hair you're perming along with the paper, and then wrap it around the hair. This part is slightly fidgety. Once it's wrapped around, then move it down to the ends of the hair. And then put the rod over the hair and tightly curl it around. Making sure it's done tightly is important, and this may take a few tries to get it right. Once you're done, use the elastic part of the rod to keep it in place. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, all of my rollers are in. So just before you move on to the next step, make sure all of your rollers are tight and none of the hair is falling out. What I do is just put my hands around, and if you can feel any loose rollers, tighten them up. By the way, please ignore how silly I look in these rollers. I know it isn't the best look, but it has to be done. So it's time to put the waving foam on my hair. What you do is take the solution, take the lid off, and then just simply put this on. And then you need this, which you tie around your head, which obviously stops the chemicals from falling down and dripping into your eyes, which we don't want. Just to let you guys know what the foam looks like, I'm going to put a little bit on my hair, but then I'm going to go and put the rest on in the bathroom because it's not an easy process. So what you need to do is shake it, and then get it, and then... So I'm back, and as you can see, the chemicals are on my head, and there's cling film all in my hair. So the reason you should put cling film or something else on your head is because the chemicals will drip down. This just kind of stops it from dripping all over. The length you should leave the curling foam on for depends on your hair type, and the leaflet explains this more. Oh, and also make sure you put a timer on your phone so you don't go over the time or under the time. What you need to do after this is unwind one of the rollers to see if your hair's curly enough. If it is, that's fine. If not, leave them on for a bit longer. And after this, what you do is rinse your hair for about 5 minutes, making sure all the solution's gone, and then leave your hair to dry. Now it's time for me to play the waiting game, and then I'm going to rinse my hair. The next time you see me, it'll be time for part 2 of the process. Hi everyone, sorry about the lighting change. It's literally getting nighttime here. I've been doing this for so long. So I washed the curling foam out, hence why I have water all down my top, and my eyes are red, and my forehead is red there from the curling foam, but it's fine. But anyway, let's move on to the final step. So for this step, you're going to need a bowl, and obviously the liquid, and you need to pour the liquid into the bowl. What you do is take the sponge, put the sponge into the liquid, and then try and foam it up. So I'm not going to do the next part on camera, but what you do is you obviously put the foam in your hair, leave it on for 10 minutes, and then wash it out. Okay, so I'm going to go do that part in a mirror, and then I'm going to take a shower and I'll show you my new permed hair. Hey everyone, so I'm back, and this is the final result. The process is so stressful, but it's so worth it. So just a few tips for you guys. What I use on my hair is a curling cream. I use this by Cantu. So what the cream does is help style your hair, it keeps it in place and stops it from being frizzy, and I would 100% recommend it. Just one more tip, buy a curling conditioner from literally anywhere, it'll stop your hair from being frizzy. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, message me on Instagram, Twitter, or just comment down below. And thank you for watching. I hope I helped. Bye!